1 minute. Hi, Satyaprakash.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So today's mock interview is on cloud computing introduction and AWS introduction. I have prepared some questions for you. So please keep answering. I'll be reading one by one. Okay. So
Okay.
you are okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The first question is, what is cloud computing?
It is the delivery of IT resources over internet uh, according to the amount of resources needed uh, based on the uh, amount of resource needed. Uh, it, uh, we will be able to pay.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
So it is a
so
okay.
whatever we use, we pay only for what we use and not for what we don't use.
Okay, okay, okay. Pay, that is called as pay as you go, right?
Yeah, pay as you go pricing model.
Right. Let me move forward. Second question, what are the
Okay.
three main service models of cloud computing?
Infrastructure as a service,
Hmm.
platform as a service, and
Hmm.
software as a service.
Okay. Third
Do you want
question.
me to give an example for this?
No, I don't need now, right now. Just simple. Okay. Third question is, what are the four types of cloud deployments?
Okay. Okay. Public cloud deployment, private cloud deployment, hybrid cloud deployment, and multi-cloud
Okay,
deployment.
okay. Fourth question, what is the key advantage of cloud computing over traditional IT?
Scalability, sir. We can scale the amount of resources we need whenever we want, however we want.
Okay. Fifth question, what is
Hello?
serverless computing in cloud?
Serverless computing is we don't need to be worried about managing the servers. We only can be able to look at the code that we are designing. We can be concerned with that. That
Okay.
is serverless computing.
Okay,
The
okay, good, good.
person who provides the server, he will manage it.
Okay. So sixth question is, what is AWS S3 and what is it used for?
AWS S3 is Amazon Web Services for simple storage services, and it is used to uh, store objects of data and also to retrieve data like image, video, and any other backup.
Okay.
Example for
Yeah,
it
no,
is
I don't want you to
Google Drive.
deep dive into that because there are other topics related to services we're going to walk through later on the questionnaire in future sessions. Seventh is, what is
Okay,
the difference between horizontal and
okay.
vertical scaling in the cloud?
Servers. If we have three servers, we will be scaling it to six servers. That is the way horizontal scaling is done. Vertical scaling is something that is done within the server. Example, capacity or storage capacity, whatever it is, that can be scaled to give a better service.
Okay. Eighth one, what is a CDN in cloud computing?
Content delivery network, sir.
What for it is used?
It is mostly used for caching data depending upon the closeness to the uh, availability zone.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
based on the availability zone, data will be cached near that zone. Uh, Location close to the zone will have data that they are frequently using.
Okay.
It
Ninth
will be
one,
cached.
what is the role of virtualization in cloud computing?
Um, we don't need to have a physical server. We can have server in different places in the globe, and we can have virtual machines and use the cloud computing with the help of that virtual machine. We don't need to be breaking our heads about the servers.
Okay. 10th question, 10th and last about cloud computing topic. What is the biggest security concern in cloud computing?
Um, Data breach, sir.
Means,
Data breach and uh, security, data security. Who will get the access and um security concern? Yeah, I know that it has data breaching. Um, uh, what to say? A disadvantage.
okay. Fine. So what I will do, Prakash, for today's this one, we'll stop this session. We'll continue in the
Mm.
next session about AWS introduction questions also.